Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so this was our Euro USD chart in a 15-minute structure. And as you can see here, market tap our, yes, I will buy. Yeah, exactly. I need to, okay. Yes, capacity is limited for 100 members. Yes, I will upgrade in the next week. Okay, for at least 1,000 members. Okay, it's okay. So finally, this was our last break of the structure is here. And after break of the structure, what happened here? You have to buy here after taking out the inducement, after taking out the initial liquidity. So in this case, this low act like inducement, and this one is our extreme. Price tap on our extreme and market go higher. But you can see here, this is a very larger range and market are creating in this range. So in this range, you can simply buy or sell after taking out the previous high or low, or you can also buy or sell after taking out the previous session high or low, which act like a liquidity. Main thing to identify the liquidity, and those can be in your session timing, and those can be your structure based, okay, and can be your trend line. There are different way, okay, but most of the liquidity creating on the session high or low and structure high or low, because if someone buying on any specific point, they put the stop loss just below it or just above high, right? And also same thing happen as per the session timing, right? So if I on here the session timing, then you will see how many times price manipulate the session. And remember one thing, in a day, one session will be manipulated most of the time. If session like Asian session and London session is a continue, then New York session will give you reversal move. Okay, if your Asian session is manipulated by London move, then London and New York will be continue, right? So this is our ranging market, and you can follow structure like this here. First one, you are looking here for buy at this point, correct? Because market tap on your PY zone. What about Indian markets? Indian markets have a different time, like different scenario. You have to follow the structure in the based on the Indian market, because those market open for a specific time, not for the 24 hours. Okay. So this one is our change of factor is here. And when market, yes, I will show you. Don't worry. So in this case, you can see here, market break the structure is here, right? So this become our change of character is here. If market is a bullish to the upside short term and market taken out the previous low, then you will catch a larger move to the upside at this point, right? But if market sweep the previous high, those will give you short term move to the downside, because major move to the upside, correct? And same thing happen in a bearish market. If market momentum is a bearish and market taken out the previous high, and then you will catch a larger move at this point into downside, right? So same thing happen here. First entry possible is here, correct? And second entry chalk, and then you have to wait for the taken out the inducement, taken out the previous low, and then you can add multiple position is here, right? So in this case, when we can buy or sell is here. First entry is here after taking out the first low, like inducement. So in this case, where is our first inducement? Which one is here? Which is obviously here, correct? So after this inducement, where is our first order block? when we can buy here, which one is here. But what happened here, if you can see at this point, market tap here, but not respect this order block, market keep a small reaction at this point, and then market finally poked to the downside, which is an indication that market is not able to hold this level. Market need taken out the extreme low, which one is here, then we can buy another position, right, is here, correct. So in this case, what happened here, now you can see range between this inducement to extreme is a very larger, so you can also sell here for the short term move, correct. So how you can sell here, simply you can see here, press type here, give it a small reaction, and market finally push downside. And in this case, what happened here, this was actually high is here, okay, because this one is our internal structure, this one I'm talking about, this one, right, but this high sweep by this move, correct. So I'm not saying that you can simply sell here, you can also sell here. If you switch into 1 minute at this point and market give any lower time frame confirmation for the sell, first entry, right, and this one is our internal, obviously, because the high or low is a protected, right, still protected, market push downside and market sweep the internal high, which one is here, correct. But if market same high, technically this is our actual high is here, because this high taken out the previous candle high, so this become our valid pullback. This is not a valid pullback, right. But sometime what happen here, if the pullback is a larger, like in a shape of this size is a larger, and you can take, okay, but this is a 50-50% probability, not a much high probability, because high probability above it, right. But at this point, if market sweep, so you can also sell, but you have to switch into lower time frame for additional confirmation, right. And why we are selling here, because the first inducement is here, market tap on order block and market not able to hold this order block, this demand zone, and fail this, right. So when we can buy on the extreme, so you can still sell here if market give any opportunity till the extreme, correct. So this one is our first, and now let me show you this. And again market push downside, and what happened here, this is our low, and this, so this one is our first inducement is here, this become our new structure, and this is internal structure, right. This is our internal structure, taken out this high, after taking out this high, because this is our valid pullback is here, after taking out this one, and you can add multiple position here after taking out this one, correct. And this you can sell or buy in a range after taking out the previous high or low, or taking out the previous session high or low, simply, right. You don't need to wait for uh, break the structure, actual structure, which is an inducement structure, right, because market is already in a range, then no need to wait for the structure confirmation. You can simply follow the measure high or low, or session high or low for the liquidity point, and you can switch into lower time frame, then you can buy or sell, correct. And this session, I mean this high is also tap here, I think this is a session. No, this is a Asian session, Frankfurt and London. Okay. Here, this one is our recent. I think this is a previous day. Yes, I think some previous day high. Okay. Simply, you can buy or sell after taking out the previous low and market tab on your extreme, right? And you can again buy here. Same process. Yes, there is no liquidity to see, but you can see market push downside. You can sell here as per the single candle order block. Which one is here? Price type here, and you can switch into lower time frame, chalk, boss, flip, anti-model. Then you can sell here. You don't need to sell here directly. Okay. Same thing happen here. Price type on the extreme, break the first high. This one is a change of factor. Again push higher high, and this low sweep here. You can buy here. Again push to the upside, sweep, and go higher. Yes, I will do backtest also after this one. I'm just explaining that how you can identifying the range, I mean, area in a range, right? Simply, market taken out the low, you can simply buy. Taken out the low, you can simply buy. When market break the actual structure, it means the structure is a shift. So simply, you can now start selling here. Taken out this high and push downside. If taken out this high, then you can sell. Break the structure. There is no inducement. Still market is a continue falling. Right. Simply remember one thing. Follow the trend. I mean, follow the structure. Various structures are going on. If market continue going upside or downside for the short term or longer term, it's not matter. It's uh, what are you looking and what are you saying at the present time. Take action as per the current price action. Don't think that if market tap here and then I will think like this. No, if market sweep the high and sweep the low and keep any entry opportunity, then you should buy or you should sell, right? And don't wait for it. Like if, for example, in this case, we can see this is our break of structure technically and tap on the extreme, and how much it take a time to tap on the extreme, and then you will switch into lower time frame, then buy or sell. You will get only one entry. But when you are looking like this, then you will see how many entries are possible here. When market taken out the previous high or low, then you will see how many possible entries here. Correct. Because market need liquidity. Simply identify the liquidity and switch into lower time frame, then buy or sell. Simple. Okay. So this is a Euro USD in a 15-minute. Okay. Now let's switch into the another pair, and after this one, I will do some quick back testing and end of the quick question answer. And I have some special thing for you end of the day. Okay. So Euro USD finish, and let's switch into the GBP USD. So this one is our GBP USD chart. If I mark the structure is here, so this one is our structure like this. Take the structure, push downside, again break the structure. In this case, this one is a low. And technically, this is our high because this structure is a shift here. In this case, in this like there is no inducement as I mentioned in a previous peak, right? So this high act like an inducement, and GBP is still a bearish as per our structure. First area for the sell was here, and second on the extreme, which one is here, which is mitigated here. Okay. So price already tap on your extreme POI and you can switch into lower time frame as per the 15-minute and then you can sell here. In this case, where is our inducement? Inducement is here because this is our first pullback, internal pullback, or you can say minor inducement, and major inducement is here. Which one is here? Correct. Market taken out this one and you can also buy here for the short term. Okay, but market is a technically is a bearish as per the daily time frame, so you have to remember both direction, right? For example, here sometime what happened, market taken out the inducement and market can move upside, but people are looking here for buy. Remember, uh read it on both side. Okay, sometime what happened, market taken out the inducement and go higher high and then failed, right? When market break this low and you have to sell after taking out this one, I mean in the left side there is any inducement is here, and then you can start sell here till the extreme, right? So this is a possible entry, I mean possible scenario in a GPUSD. And let's switch into in a 15-minute. Let's look into 15-minute. 15-minute structure is a similar as per the Euro USD. Same thing happen here. Taken out the previous high, push downside, take the structure, actual structures here, and mitigate extreme. And now you can sell here multiple position. First high sweep here, break here, sweep, and continue falling. And bottom sweep, and we can see short-term move to the upside and a minor inducement taken out, and you can start selling here. Again, break the structure, and then you can also sell here. Push downside after taking out this high like this. So this is a possible scenario in a JPUSD as per the 15-minute. Now switch into gold. First of all, look at the higher time frame structure. So this one is our higher time frame structure in a gold, as we did in a last week. Taking out the inducement, confirm the lower low, tap here, push downside, give it a small reaction, and again trying to go higher. Where is our extreme? This one, right? Tap on the extreme point, and now we can see our downside move in a gold in this week, right? If I switch here into 15-minute structure, in a 15-minute structure, market continue falling to downside like this, right? So how many possible entries is here? Correct. Volumes. This. In this case, what happened here? This is the highest point. Break the low is here. Push downside. Break this low. Sweep this high. Again push downside. Taken out this high, and you can sell here. So these are POI for this sell. Okay, this one is also because this order flow. Correct. And again, break the structure is here. After break the structure, we can also sell after taking out this inducement, which one is here. So these are possible scenario in a gold in a 15-minute structure. Higher time frame is a tap on your PY, and lower time frame 15-minute is also looking for the continuation to the downside. So you have to wait for it, taking out this high, and then you can sell here. Let's switch into the Bitcoin. Bitcoin market is currently bearish, as I mentioned in a previous week that market is not looking good to the upside. Everything looks bearish. There is no momentum to the upside. Okay, so right now this candle low is a broken here. Okay, so the last PY was here, which is mitigate here, small reaction, push downside, and we can also sell after taking out this high. If market push higher high like this, and then you can sell as per the weekly chart, right? If I switch here as per the daily time frame structure, daily time frame structure is also very same thing happen here. After taking out this high, we can also sell here. And if I switch here into lower time frame structure, okay, demand zone, SNR liquidity, taken out this high, and you can sell here, go higher and push downside like this. Okay, so explain gold. Yes, gold is a bearish, right? In this case, there is no IDM. This high is an IDM, act like IDM. So if we can sell our weight, because this is a single leg in this case in a Bitcoin. $15-minute structure is in a range, and simply you can follow the same rule, like taken out the previous high or low, simply buy or sell. Previous high taken out, you can buy or sell like this, right? Buy for the taken out this and this one. And the next possible entry is here after taking out this high at least, and until taken out this low, if market not taking out this low, because this one high and this is low, correct? Like this. I have problem to identifying the valid pullback. To valid pullback, simple rule: when market, when price break the previous candle high or low, that's called a valid pullback. At least taken out the previous candle high or low to confirm a valid pullback. To mark the valid order block, pullback, you can see here this candle high, this candle low is a broken by the bullish candle, and this bullish candle high broken by this bullish candle. So this is a confirm, right? And in this case, you can see everything is a continuation pushing downside. So what happened here at this time? This candle high broken by this candle, correct? So it means this is a move like this and again push downside, right? And this candle high broken by this one and continue pushing upside until break this low, right? So this is another pullback. Same thing happened here. Major and minor, like a small move count as a minor, right? And major inducement count like two types. Those inducement like taken out the minor inducement like this. I'm going to show you exactly. So in this case, this is your minor inducement, right? And this minor inducement responsible for this move. Which one move? Something like this. Because this high and this low already taken out the structure. I mean, previous high. So this structure moves something like this. So this inducement responsible for this move. But if market taken out this major high, those will give you strong move to the downside and give you a, a major move like this. Okay, now switch into Bank Nifty. Okay. In a Bank Nifty, market is looks very interesting. As per the 15-minute structure, previous high sweep, break the structure, taken out the inducement, and possibly we can sell another area for the sell is here. Correct. Because market already sweeping the high and just giving you to momentum to the downside. Tap here and then you can sell. Switching to daily time frame. Yes, previous candle high sweep, low sweep. Okay, still in a range. And let's see. The previous candle low sweep here. I'm sorry, above one. Okay, so possibly maybe we can see some buying momentum to the upside as per the daily time frame. Okay, and switch into 15-minute, sorry, 5-minute. In a Bank Nifty, you can simply follow the 5-minute structure. 5-minute measure high or low sweep, and you can directly buy into like 1 minute for the confirmation, right? Here also, and this point is also. Okay, so now let's say do some quick back testing. Which currency pair you wanna suggest to do back testing? Gold already done. Bitcoin is also done. Euro USD, GBP is also done. I will take a new pair. I think every week different pair, which will be more good. Okay, US 30, NAS 100, Aussie USD, GJ, UJ. Okay. Okay. Let's do some different pair, some indices. Okay, NAS. Okay, let's do it NAS 100. The next attempt I will do choose different. So NAS 100 on Onda. Switch into 15-minute. So in this leg, Which part you wanna back test? Okay. Okay, so after this one, I will do some quick question answer. So don't worry, everyone. Okay. So, okay. Okay, so we are looking here for the sell because the previous high sweep. When market see the previous high or low, then how you can take entry in a lower time frame, and what criteria you have to follow, right? So, okay, higher time frame POI is not like only order block. Higher time frame POI, when market see the previous measure higher low, those higher low actually act like a POI, right? You can switch into lower time frame and you can simply buy or sell. Okay, if you can see here and the bottom side, this low I just sweep. I mean, not completely, but if this low sweep, so this also act like a POI, correct? So when market taken out the previous high or low, those also act like a POI, correct? Same thing happen here. Previous high sweep, you can switch into 1 minute, then you can sell. If market tap on your order block POI, sometime what happen? Market simply not tap on your order block, but market taken out the previous high and taken out the previous session high. So if the previous session high or low, you can switch into lower time frame, then you can buy or sell. Correct. Okay. So now you can switch into 1 minute structure, and then we can see in this case, if I want to ask you here that where is our change of correct in this case? Where is our change of character? Okay, perfect. So technically, this one is our first pullback is here. This low is here. This one is our actual change of character is here because this one is our first low after sit this high. Once market taken out this change of character and you can sell like this. Okay. And then market taken out this inducement, mitigate something here, and then you can sell. Otherwise, you can also sell if market sit this high, and you can also sell single candle mitigation based entry, first entry, second entry, right, until broken this low, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay. Okay, finally market break this low, and in this case, where is inducement? Okay, perfect. Is correct. This one is our actually inducement. This is a pullback, right? And you can sell here. This is a not pullback. So let's see. Okay, market create new structure is here. So where is our inducement in this case? So this one is our minor inducement and major inducement. Okay, perfect. So in this case, this high is our minor inducement. Why? Because this lag and this is happening between this inducement and this is our major inducement. If market taken out the minor inducement, those will give you a minor move, right? But if market taken out the major inducement, those will give you a major move to the downside or upside, right? So let's see what happened next here. In this case, okay, perfect. Okay, all right. So this inducement is a taken out. So in this case, where is our possible entries in this case? Everyone. What is possible entries is here and how many entries are possible at this time? Perfect. Okay, simply market taken out the inducement. You can sell here. First entry, sell here. Put the stop loss just above it. Why? Because this bearish candle close previous high right here. So this is the first entry. And the next entry is a possible here. Okay, here at this time. This is our next possible entry, and sometime order block tap or not doesn't matter, right? Main thing is taking out the inducement. Taking out the inducement, you can simply sell here. If sweep this high, then you can also sell here. But price close of it. That's why I'm looking here for additional confirmation. First entry is here on tap on the order block. Second entry, if market give a single candle order block, you can also sell. Correct. So this one is our first entry and stop loss just above it a little bit, and target is a similar, I mean same, the previous major low is here. This one is our major target, right? But you have to take a partial time to time. When market break the previous low is here and this low is here, correct? And one more thing is here, if market break this low, you have to switch your stop loss on a break even point, correct? Now let's see. Okay, perfect. So there is any possible entry is here, anything, everyone? Perfect. So until when we can single, yes, until broken this low, we can add multiple single candle mitigation entry. Perfect. And this black candle taken out the minor previous candle high, sweep this high and close below it. So simply you can sell here also, correct, at this time and push higher. And this is a called single candle mitigation, this candle high, right? Sweep the previous candle high and close below it. And when price taken out the previous high or low, and you have to sell on the next candle open. So this entry will be open here and stop loss just over it, and break even point is here and target is the same. Okay, let's see. Okay, perfect. So market break this low and you can switch your stop loss on a break even point, correct? And if you wish to take a little bit partial, you can take, okay, but at least do a break even, correct? Okay, so in this leg, if you want to take entry, so when we can take entry, next entry in this leg, where is inducement? We should wait for the new inducement, or if market not create any inducement, right? For example, market create inducement like this, tap here and go downside. For example, if not create, sometime what happen, market not create any inducement, then you have to wait for taken out this actual high and then you can sell. So these two possible scenario is here technically. Okay. Let's see. Okay, both almost both position are on a break-even point. So first high is here. I'm sorry. Correct. Taken out this high. Tap on this order block, and you can sell here also. This is a possible entry is here, and target will be same here, right? Why? Because this is our inducement. Tap on the order block and also inducement sweep here, and you can sell here first entry. And if you miss first entry, you can sell here on the next candle open. This one. Correct, like this. Put this stop loss just a bit. And market break this low, you can switch your stop loss and break even point. Right. What happened? Let's see. Okay, so this one is your valid loss. It's here. Why? Because market need more liquidity and to mitigate something on extreme, then we can switch here. Yes, this is a valid stop loss. Correct. Now let's see what happened next here. So in this case, how we can take another entry is here. You can take entry when market break the first structure, like market is bullish and failed to go higher, like this. Market go higher high, and then exactly correct, Madhu, correct. Break this one and like this. Perfect. Exactly. Technically, in this case, there is no like a entry types is here, because this is our high, and this was a very tiny supply zone is here, right? Because this candle sweep the previous high, which is unmitigated, and this big is also mitigated is here, and everything is mitigated. There is no imbalance. Only this high act like a engineering liquidity, taken out this and push downside, right? And market keep any flip anti module is here, then you can also sell is here, like this. For example, type here, keep like this, right? Let's see what happened next here. Okay, perfect. Can flip become idea? Now where is our possible entry is here? There is any possible entry is here, everyone, or we should wait for the confirmation? Look at this one. This one is our structure is here. This is a minor flip, and this one is also change of character. Okay, change of character is here, but to sell in an inducement, to sell in a flip and chalk case, you have to wait for the taken out the inducement, right? So there is no inducement is here. You have to wait for develop inducement, then you can sell. If not create any inducement, then market sweep the previous high or low, right? Like internal structure high or low, then you can simply sell. For example, here, if this high like sweep, for example, so you can sell, market go higher and push downside, you can simply sell, but market not sweep here, correct? And then you have to wait for the uh, confirmation to create inducement before the entry. Let's see. Oh, sorry. First. Okay, now structure is a confirm here. So after change of factor, after this flip, when we can sell here? No, this is a not. This is a SMT. This one is SMT because there is no inducement still here. Perfect, everyone. Perfect. You can sell our weight. Market tap on extreme, tap or not, it doesn't matter. Just simply sweep this high, you can also sell. Correct. So first entry possible on the extreme and put this stop loss just above it and target. And you can start place the entry is here between this minor, imbalance is here, correct? Simply you can place your sell limit is here, stop just above it, first entry is here, and let's see what happened next here to add next position. Okay, so where is our next entry? The next candle open, you can simply add one more position is here, put the stop loss just above it, because this one act like a entry type 3 because this high is a sweep, like inducement sweep, correct? Perfect. Okay, nice. And the next entry is here, one more entry on this order block, right? But technically this is a very larger order block, but this is a possible entry, right? Sometime this sweep maybe a medium in a size, correct? So you can add one more position is here, just giving you reference. So 3 entries is here. Let's see if mitigate or not. Okay, only 2 entries mitigate here. And one more thing, you can take partial here because this is a major low is here. You can take maximum partial. At least 3 hour, 4 hour. It's up to you. It's depend on structure also. What happened? Okay, so now structure is a shift and continue falling to the downside. And where is our possible entries is here in this case. I mean, when we can take one more position if you wish to take entry here for the sell. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so market at least taken out this investment, which one is here, and then you can switch into lower time frame before sell. You don't need to sell here directly. You need a additional confirmation because market break the structure, measure structure, right? So you have to take additional confirmation before the sell. Measure structure is a shift here. Let's see what happened next here. Okay, sweep the low. Okay, perfect. Another broken low and our investment shift here to here at this time. Yes, those also possible, but those are minor inducement and we can't take here minor inducement because measure structure broke here and you have to wait for it. And also you can see looks like a trend line liquidity is here. Correct. So in this case, market taken out this one and taken out this high because if someone buying or selling here, then they put the stop loss just above it, because this high act like a liquidity. I mean, stop hunt area is here. This one and majority is here, right? So simply you can sell above it. Okay, perfect. There is no entries is here still. Sorry. Yes. You okay, perfect. Chop and flip. Okay. Not looks good setup. Switch into 15 minute to see clear picture because we can take entry only as per the 1 minute structure. You have to check a higher time frame picture to see clear view. Okay. All right. Okay, okay, perfect. This low is high. Okay. Let's wait for the candle. I'm sorry. What happened? Very fast move. Switch into 1 minute to see exactly what happened here. Okay, those are equal high. Perfect. But there is not a possible entry as per the structure. Equal high, and you have to wait for two lower time frame chalk pause and inducement, then you can sell. But at that time, there is not a confirm any entry is here. So I don't think this is a valid entry is here, right? Yes, those can be also possible. entry. Let's check the session is here. Okay. The okay, previous high sweep here, London session high is a sweep here. That's why market pushed downside. Actually, yes, and also equal high. Okay, but as I mentioned that it's depend on the and sometime it's follow like taking out the previous high or low, sometime taking out the session high or low. But when market taking out the high or low, you can simply switch into lower time frame and then you can sell. Right. And this was not sweep any 15-minute high or low, structure high or low. This was a normal structure. That's why it's not gives any deal here for the buy or sell. Correct. If I switch here into 15-minute structure, right? So now at this time, you can see there is not sweep any high or low. Then why we can buy or sell at this time? Simple. Okay. For example, here, at this time, you can see this high sweep here. Then you can switch here into 1 minute for the sell because previous minor high, even previous minor high is a sweep here. Correct. But at this time, there is no sweep. Sweep is here. Once market taken out this pullback, you can definitely sell here also. But after chalk, boss, or flip entry module, right? But there was not create any structure in a 15-minute. Okay, so this was possible entry here in an S100. Okay, perfect. Okay, it's drop quickly, exactly. Now we should start some quick question answer, and after that I will finish this session. Mr. Khan, can you run to the draw order block, please, sometime? Yes, if shadow is a larger, then you can also take a shadow, but those can be unmitigated. Okay, sometime I take a entire candle. I'm not. Yes, yes. A lot of people don't know that how you can trade exactly session high or low, which will be included in 3.0. So best time to use 15-minute. Yes, 15-minute is good for the next 100. 15-minute previous high or low sweep and switch into 1 minute and then take entry. If not give any entry, then leave it. Right. For the downtrend pullback, what is the rule? We should break previous candle high low. Yes, previous candle high broken, then you can sell. Okay. It is possible that liquidity is in another time frame than structure. For example, if you can use any time frame for the liquidity sweep. You said the lower time frame we do not need to close below M5 if we are trading. If you are following the higher time frame H1, then you can switch into 5 minute for the entry. Use 30, 15 minute. 30. There's a lot of opportunity for the sell. Sell, sell, buy. And if this low sweep, this can be also good buy. I mean, good buy setup. Yes, use 30 on extreme. Correct. I'm trading on session high or low C part aside. Can I focus on previous day high? And yes, look, understand that the previous high or low, right? I mean, previous day high or low, those act like a liquidity, right? Session high or low also act like a liquidity, I mean, liquidity point, and measure high or low also. So when market sweep anything, you can take entry. Yes, those are idiom. Yes, this one is a sweep. Please arrange a webinar for beginners. For beginner, you can watch previous recorded webinar, right? And a lot of things will be, you will get answer. Philip Anti also explained, but you can study in an ebook mention. Flip means when demand convert into supply and supply convert into demand. Sorry. If market tap here and give a small reaction and go higher, right? And then market tap here again. So this supply convert into this demand and go higher. And same thing apply here. This demand gave a small reaction and failed. And then what happened? Market go high and tap on the supply and push downside. So this is a flip concept. It's necessary to flip PY to have a, yes, inducement is a necessary in a flip and chop. Yes, candle closer is also you can take, but as I mentioned, if taken out this inducement is here and candle closer above it, right? But the next bearish candle just close below it, right? So you can take entry here. I don't trade fundamentals. Today I want to, yes, okay, good. I wanna announce something for you, and I have a special idea to help everyone that I'm going to announce some moderator in our community, more than 700 people already, and this will be reach 1,000 members end of the December. So at least 1 or 2% moderator. I mean, on 100 members, 1 or 2 moderator, right? So if anybody wants to take this responsibility as a moderator, so I have a something like for moderator, I will do a special session with moderator. Like right now we have a 700 people, so at least we need 10 moderator, which will be mostly active on Discord, and which is also looking for the help to other members. And okay, so if you wanna, like, if anybody wants take this responsibility like a moderator, so you can DM on Telegram or Discord also, right? So I will select only 10 moderators, and you have to operate, you have to manage all team, right? Members, new members to give a question answer, right? But I will give you another special session, right? If you face any problem that someone asked me that how we can manage them and how we can like identify them and what is this and why this, so you can ask me also, and I will do 2 session in a month with moderator only. Okay, 10 or 12 moderators will be only back testing and something question answer everything, and which will be more good. And few moderators belong from Hindi, and most of the members belong from English. So I need 4 to 5 members, 4 member at least from Hindi language, Hindi Urdu, and 10 members from English. Total 15 moderator in our community to help and manage other members. How I can see that someone is moderator? I will give a level for moderator. Yes, special channel and add, I will add for the moderator. So if you are willing to take this responsibility, you can DM, then I will. Okay. Okay, first a record of this, then I will